Hi everyone, there are 3 best ways to download YouTube videos on your iPad and I will show you all 3 in this video so you can choose the best one that works for you. But before downloading, make sure you have a stable internet connection, especially if you are downloading high quality video. And also make sure you have enough storage on your iPad so that you can download any video. Now once you check these 2 things, just open YouTube app on your device. So first make sure you are signed in to any of the account. After this, open any YouTube video that you want to download. Within this section, you will see this download option. So just click on it. Now you can select the video quality. So select any of them and then click on download option. Now once the video is downloaded, you can click on this profile icon, then scroll down to bottom and click on downloads option. Within this section, you can access all the downloaded video. So that's it. If you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.